Well, we're all set up in our tent for our first time out this year, the 17-18 season. Got our little heater right there, keeping Anthony's Yankee gloves nice and toasty. You can see the steam. Anthony's chilling right there. He can see all his tip-ups from that spot. And so here's the tent. Take a look out. I don't know if you can see the tip-ups or whatever. Actually, I'll flip this around so you can see. Let's see. Alright, so there's our view outside the tent. Got a couple tip-ups there. It's too bright. My tip-ups are on this side, the right side. Anthony's is on the left. See our augers and stuff. We had one flag go up so far, but nothing on it, so we'll see. The guys next to us pulled in 2 fish so far, though, so we'll be back. Well, back with the first casualty of the fishing season. My little torch, I had it too close to the Mr. Heater. Oh, but it still works, so, I mean, it was frozen. That's why I was trying to unfreeze it, and you can see it got melted. I picked it up, burnt my hand. Alright, so we got our first one. Anthony pulled in a, I don't know, that's gotta be what, 24 inch? Maybe? Yeah, so about, at least there's 24 inch pike there.
Come on.
Oh, I should have brought my draw spreaders. I got those too.
Come on.
So this is our first fish of the day. We've been out here for what, like maybe 2 or 3 hours?
Yeah.
Come down there, big guy. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. All right.
Get a picture too, so I can send it.
All right, so we got a flag. So you didn't get us running out here, but it was running when we got out here. You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice. Let's see what we got.
I feel like a very big one.
Fish is a fish. Nice. That's a pickerel, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a huge pickerel.
It's a big pickerel.
Oh, you want my pliers?
Yeah, I want your pliers. It's clean too.
Here you
The other
go.
one was full of grubs. This one doesn't have grubs in it anywhere.
You gonna keep it or?
I'm not gonna keep any because I gotta go back to North Carolina.
Oh, that's right. You can let it go. Yeah. Nice. So it's the same tip up as the other one. So like I was saying, it was the same tip up as the other one, and it's been what, probably another 40 minutes at least since that one.
Yeah.
So, all right, there you go. Go ahead, get it up here. I'll take a picture. That's cool. Okay, hang on. All right, we got another flag up, same one. No, this is your other one. Is it spinning?
Oh yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Ooh. That seems like a nice one.
Yeah, this is the one we moved out deeper.
Yeah. Whoa. Another pickerel?
Yep.
Oh, nice one. Nice, same one.
Same.
I want to be surprised here.
Yeah, he's got this one down there.
Do you need my jaw spreaders?
Yeah, this one might go home with us.
What's that?
This one might go home.
All right. All right, so this is the other tip up that had the 2 on is right next to this one. So this is the first one that this tip up got. And I'm gonna stop it and take a picture of him when he gets it unhooked. So I think I got a flag going. It's furthest way out. So it's my first one of the day. Trying to get out there quick. Hopefully there's something on there. I don't see anything spinning. Well, I think Anthony's first one. His didn't spin. Thinking maybe the minnow got this. I don't know, it ran pretty good.
Huh?
The marker isn't there. Here.
I brought mine because I couldn't hold it.
All right. The marker's missing, so. Yep.
Got one?
Yep. There's the marker. Yeah, he ran good. Oh, let's see, the marker's stuck on that. Ooh, it's a pike. That's a small one. Uh-oh. He's, oh, there it is. All wrapped around there.
Wrapped its mouth shut.
What's that?
Wrapped its mouth shut.
Yeah, it did. Man, how did it get up in there? Oh, wow. Wow, that's gonna be tough to get out. There we go. Up to little buddy. I need to get longer pliers. There we go. Oh, keep open. Dummy. There. That.
Alright, stop it. Move the picture.
Not as big as you. All right, so Anthony's got one. Looks like it's running. And so we're running out there. Got it? No. No? Oh.
I don't know.
Maybe following you in.
Yeah, it's following me in.
Well, that's the thing. Like, when I got out to mine, it wasn't running. And it's just because I think it ran and then it was ran back towards me.
This is last time this happened to me. It was a monster.
Yeah.
This isn't a monster.
Ah, another pickerel. What is that, your third pickerel?
Yeah, it's a tiny one.
Third pickerel. His first catch was the big pike. And then, get my pliers. Oh man, you don't even need my pliers. Look at that. Say goodbye. Oh, I won't get a picture of that. You just say goodbye to that guy. It's got to be insulting to it. It's not even worth taking a picture of. All right, got another one. Anthony's just racking them up today. This is his. Oh, it's running too. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's one. I don't know why. I feel like this is gonna be a good one.
Well, when they run like that, it's a good sign.
Usually when they run like that, usually they're pickerel though.
Yeah.
I don't know. There was a bite there. Now it's gone. Same thing as the last one. Oh.
He's coming with you. Fighting you now?
Oh, I lost her.
Oops.
on the edge.
Ah. Is he frozen?
Huh?
I was like, is he frozen?
He's had a better day.
Well, okay. Well, it was running. So he had a fish on there, so count that as like a half point maybe.
Yeah.
All right, I got a flag. Guys, actually, Anthony took his last one out, and so I commandeered his ice hole with mine. It's not spinning though. See what's going on here. Wait till Anthony gets here. Not seeing any movement.
Is it moving?
No. Oh yeah, there he goes. Here. Oh, there.
Oh, it's spinning good.
Yeah. There we go. Lively one. Wow. He's fighting. Yeah. Oh wow.
Ooh. Second run?
A little bit. He's fighting.
All right.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like he's grubby like your other one there. I think your other one was bigger. Oh, I got him good.
Yeah, it's grubby. I wonder why they're grubby this year. Is that its gill?
Oh, it's in his jaw.
Mm.
I hope that meal was tasty.
Just as we got the fish out the other hole, this ice hole down here, this ice hole, it's another ice hole. We run to the ice hole. Come on, spinning, spinning. And I felt like it had a tug to it. Or looked like it felt like it had a tug to it.
Marker.
Yeah.
Oh, nice pickerel. All right, buddy. Stand still. Oh, I just barely hooked him right in the outer jaw here. Oh, you're a lot easier than your buddy over there. You don't need to take pictures. Small.
All right.
Then go back in my ice hole.
Nice round, perfectly dark ice hole.
Yeah. This one's the cleanest ice hole that I have today.
No smelly at all.
Not smelly at all.